Assalamu alaikum and good evening dear students. Today in brief review video we are taking simple and compound sentence page number 11 and 12, and I also included page number 10 which was homework. So you can see that was page number 10 in which you've been asked compound subject and simple predicate, and now that was your homework. And now starting from page 11, which is about simple sentence and compound sentence. So simple sentence gives one complete thought, so it has a single complete thought, and compound sentence means two simple sentences which are joined by a conjunction, and the conjunction and, but and are. So in the instruction you can see right whether the sentence below is simple or compound. Circle each conjunction. So all conjunctions are being circled, and in the underline if the sentence is compound, so compound, and if it is simple, that is simple. Like the example number 1, the dog barked and woke up instantly, that would compound and what. The same case you see with the simple. Number 2, something was tapping on my window, that is simple. And all these sentences you would see that compound sentence, two sentences get together with the help of a comma and a conjunction, and simple sentence having one single thought. Now moving to page number 12, that is those sentences are run-on sentence, and we have to correct run-on sentence by rewriting as a compound sentence. So sentence number 1, the official waves the flag, comma, and. So we have to correct it by putting a comma and a conjunction. So I circle, but you should not circle. I circle to understand, to understand you properly, but they didn't ask to circle the conjunction. They ask only to correct it and write it again. So you can see that all sentences need comma and conjunction, because these are run-on sentences. We need to correct it by putting comma and then conjunction. Conjunction are many times. So if for example, sentence number 3, she speeds around the curve, she doesn't lose control. So that needs but. She speeds around the curve, comma, but she doesn't lose control. So according to the sentence structure, it needs that kind of a conjunction. And number 5, the race is soon over, comma, and she wins another trophy. That was the review video about page 10, 11 and 12. Inshallah, see you with a new review video in the next class. Till that time, goodbye.